Hi there. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your WooCommerce store to the WebToffee eCommerce marketing automation app, step by step. To get started, head to the WebToffee eCommerce marketing automation product page and click Sign up for free. You'll be taken straight to the app's login page. If you're new, click Let's Get Started to create an account. Just enter your email and set a password to sign up. Already have an account? Just log in and you're good to go. Once inside, you'll see an option to connect your store. Since we're working with WooCommerce, select WooCommerce. Next, enter your WooCommerce store URL and click Proceed to install. This will redirect you to install the required plugin to connect your store. Make sure you're already logged into your WordPress site before proceeding. Install and activate the WebToffee eCommerce marketing automation plugin on your WordPress site. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the WebToffee marketing menu in your WordPress dashboard. You'll automatically be taken to the connector section. From there, click Explore WebToffee Marketing and click Connect Now to proceed. Review the app permissions and click on Approve. The last step is to fill in a few basic store details and click Let's Get Started. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to WebToffee Marketing. If you encounter any issues while connecting your store, feel free to contact our customer support team.